You're gonna love the 2016 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.